Hi guys, today our topic is physical quantities and measurements. Although we did this in the previous video also, but as I told you that from now on, that in this chapter there are different subheadings and we can't read every subheading in one video. So I divided every video into a single subheading. Okay, so let's start. So the name of this subheading is measuring length. So basically it's an easy topic, you don't have to worry about that so much. And so let's get it. But before that, subscribe my channel, knowledge stuffs, and share it with your friends and hit the like button. Now let's get to our main objectives and topic. So although I took the image of the book, so you all could check that out, but of course I won't read this. You all can refer this, but I'll just explain you in like a teacher. So basically all the lengths you use can be measured with a meter ruler, half meter ruler, measuring tapes, or vernier calipers. Okay, now measuring tapes are basically to use the distance or the length over up to 100 meters. You may be seeing that measuring tapes are tailors use the measuring tapes to take the height of the person, to take basically length of the person, and then he puts the length and check out that how many of clothes should I take for that woman or that person. So it's all like that. So for example, they are used to measure the distance an athlete throws a discus or javelin. The photograph shows below show two types of measuring tapes. So this measuring tape, let me zoom it. This white measuring tape is a measuring tapes, and this measuring tapes is a retractable measuring tape. Understood? Now, can somebody tell me that who uses a measuring tape and who uses the retractable measuring tape? I mean their occupations. Yes, you all are right. Measuring tapes are used by tailors, and we also have tailors. Okay, but retractable measuring tapes are basically used by the carpenters who renovate our houses to like measure the area of our room. We can't take out the area. We can't measure the length. We can measure the length, but it's better to take a retractable measuring tape for a carpenter. Okay, now can somebody tell me at what are the units used in measuring tapes? Anybody? Anyone? So basically the smallest division of measuring tapes is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Thus it's a measuring tapes has an accuracy of 1 meter or 0.1 centimeter. Guys, isn't that amazing? Now it is the meter ruler or half meter ruler. I also took the picture of that. So basically a meter ruler or a half meter ruler can be used for measuring shorter distances or lengths. They are commonly used in the laboratory. The meter ruler and meter rule measure lengths in centimeters with the accuracy of 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. So basically the small one, let me zoom it. This is usually used by us to make lines. Now our copies, this is basically our scale. But the longer one, sometimes it's used in laboratories, and sometimes students also use this when they have to make big lines. Sometimes this is not usually, it's sometimes. Now but now let's learn about the readings, how to read a scale, okay. Now let's readings cannot be more accurate than the smallest division on the scale of the measuring instrument. They should be recorded in their correct units. So basically, as you all know, that readings are in a scale, readings are taken in centimeters, millimeters. Okay, so readings can't be just taken in kilometers, readings can't be taken in kgs, readings can't be taken in liters. Readings are having a specific unit. Okay, they're having their correct units. For accurate measurements using the meter or half meter rule, the eye must be placed vertically above the mark being graded. For taking a right measurement, we have to place our eye vertically above the mark being reading or which we want. Okay, so if the eye is wrongly positioned, the incorrect reading due to parallax error would be obtained. So parallax error is a measurement because is a error of measurement because the eye is not placed in the correct position when taking a reading. Understood? So now I'll show you some pictures and then I will tell you what's a parallax error. So these all are parallax error. So like when you are reading from the right side, a parallax error would come. When you are reading from the left side, a parallax error would come. And when you are seeing the scale on from the opposite side also, then also the parallax error would come. So sorry, I'm so sorry. The between the last picture, as the person is standing in the correct place, on the specific correct place, he would get the correct reading. But these two, as this person is seeing from the right and this person is seeing from left, so in these two pictures there is a parallax error, but this picture is absolutely correct. Understood? Now again over here it's a parallax error. Yes, so because over here again the person is seeing from the left side, over here the person is seeing from the right side, and over here in the between eye the person is standing on the correct place but he's a bit tilted, so that's why it's having a parallax error. So basic definition of parallax error is an error in a measurement because the eye is not placed in the correct position when taking a reading. Understood? Okay, so this is the parallax error. So again this was a subheading of today's physical quantities and measurement topic. So I hope you like it. The next I will explain you the next subheading on yesterday. I'll explain the other subheading yesterday. Sorry. I will explain the next subheading tomorrow. Okay, so stay tuned because I think so that the other one is the second. No, wait. Now there are a lot of headings left. So again you have to stay tuned to get all my videos, to get all my notifications, and for that you have to click the bell icon. So press that so you get all the notifications of my video. And again don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the bell button to subscribe to channel knowledge area, and beside that there is a notification bell. Click that to get every single notification of my video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, and see all my videos.